Hi guys, this is the iPad mini 4. When you install the new screen, you need to take out the sensor, which is you need to solder it back to the new screen. The sensor is like that, so you just take it out like that. Okay, there was that's it, and you can take it out like that simply. Okay. Just leave this like that. When you need to put it down the screen, you can remove it essentially and put it back, otherwise the power button won't work. This is the wake up and sleep sensor. Thank you for watching.